Sony made waves when it launched the FX3, a compact cinema camera that blended its professional cinema tech with the portability of its Alpha series. Since its debut in 2021, the FX3 has been a favorite among solo filmmakers, content creators, and travelers thanks to its lightweight design and impressive performance. The FX3 boasted a full-frame 12.1 megapixel sensor, Sony's Anatone color science, and outstanding low-light capabilities. But it wasn't without its shortcomings, lacking features like internal RAW recording and open-gate shooting, areas where competitors like Panasonic and Fujifilm had a head start. Now Sony is set to release the FX3 Mark II, and expectations are high. One of the most exciting additions is open-gate recording in a 320 format, something users have been asking for. This full sensor readout offers tremendous flexibility, making it easier to crop footage for various aspect ratios, whether you're aiming for widescreen films or vertical social media posts. Another major upgrade is internal 12-bit RAW recording. With the original FX3, filmmakers needed external recorders to capture raw footage, a cumbersome setup involving HDMI cables. The Mark II removes that hurdle, hovering on compressed, high-quality footage directly from the sensor, which will greatly enhance color grading and preserve details in both highlights and shadows. The power of raw footage lies in its flexibility. Since it's in-process sensor data, you have far more control during editing. And with 12-bit depth, the color transitions are smoother, preserving detail where compressed formats would struggle. Open-gate recording also shines when creating content for multiple platforms. You can shoot once and later a frame or crop without compromising quality, ideal for creators juggling projects across film, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. On top of these headline features, the FX3 Mark II will likely retain the fast, reliable autofocus system seen in Sony's Alpha lineup, including real-time eye and face tracking. That's a huge plus for filmmakers working in fast-paced environments like documentaries, weddings, or run-and-gun shoots. Of course, no camera is flawless. While the FX3's compact body is great for portability, it can limit heat management. The built-in fan helped in the original model, but pushing high resolution or RAW recording for extended periods could still lead to thermal issues. Battery life is another factor to watch while recording is power-hungry. And if Sony has an improved efficiency, users may face frequent battery swaps. Looking at the competitive landscape, the FX3 Mark II positions itself as a versatile and potentially more affordable alternative to cameras like the Panasonic S1H, Fugs H2, or even Sony's own FX6. With the addition of open-gate and internal RAW, it's aiming to punch above its weight. There are also small trade-offs to consider. The dual CFX Type A and SD card slots offer flexibility, but CFEX cards are expensive and SD cards don't match their speed. And while the original FX3 sensor's low light performance and dynamic range were excellent, we'll have to see if the Mark pushes those boundaries further. Despite these considerations, the FX3 Mark II is shaping up to be an exciting tool for filmmakers. Sony seems to be addressing key user requests, delivering greater creative freedom and image quality in a compact body. It's a camera that promises to empower indie filmmakers, content creators, and solo shooters alike. Whether you're a filmmaker needing professional-level performance without the bulk, or a creator looking to streamline your workflow, the FX3 Mark II is definitely worth keeping an eye on. We're eager to see how it performs once it hits the market and what new possibilities it will unlock for storytellers. If you're excited about this camera or have thoughts to share, drop them in the comments.